Mushrooms! Mushrooms. Check out these fresh gills. Earthy, umami, perfect for pickling. Hi, I'm Margaret from Bottom Feeder. I'm half Filipino, half Hungarian, and today I'm combining both my cultural backgrounds to turn these delightful mushies into pickled adobo mushrooms. First, separate your mushrooms into mini Star Trek Enterprises and sprinkle gently with water, salt-based style. Place to dry in the sun. Tear big bits in half for even cooking. Place a jar or two with lids in a cold oven, then heat it to 100 degrees Celsius to sterilize. Heat a dry pan to medium, then place your mushrooms. Don't overcrowd, this isn't a Manila freeway. Flip and press to get some of that smoky char.
It sounds like a DJ remixing.
Char acquired. Take them off and set aside till they're all seared. Add 150 ml of water to the same pan, still on medium heat. You may need more or less depending on the size of your jars. Scrape off the charry bits for flavor flavor. Simmer. Drain. Top up to 150 ml. In a small pot on medium, add your charry water and coconut vin. Bonus points for Dato Puti.
Mami, meron ba tayo? Oo, eto na yung Dato Puti. Dato Puti, ito ang sukatan. Bukasin talaga!
150 ml of this, i.e. the same amount as your water, will add that tart but mild punch typical of Filipino cuisine. Take out your sterilized jars with tongs and breathe. It's time to assemble with classic adobo aromatics. Add a bay leaf to your jar. Then prepare a clove of garlic. Chop, chop. Place a slice or two in your jar. These are strong, so don't overdo it. Pop in some peppercorns. Now layer your mushies, packed in but not squashed. Brine time. Pour in that hot, smoky, tropical liquid. Very satisfying. Remove air pockets with a butter knife. Lid tightly. Feel the warmth. Then let the flavors develop for 2 to 3 weeks in a cool, dark place. Done! These pickled adobo mushrooms keep for about a year unopened. Refrigerate once opened. Maganda! Check out Bottom Feeder for more fermenty zero waste recipes.